We were looking all over the internet, just trying to find any source for adaptive vehicles that we could. Found a couple dealers locally, a lot of stuff online, and I think we just happened upon a Freedom Motors listing and initially were drawn in by the vehicle itself, had features we were looking for. It was really the team that made us think that this was the place that we would want to work with in the ultimate end, because we really appreciated the care and attention Carl and the whole team paid us, understanding that this was a transaction that meant a lot for us. It had a lot of weight on our situation, and just giving us all the care and attention that we needed to get through that. So, boy, sure I'm glad that we found you folks. It was like he seemed more interested in making sure we were taken care of than selling a vehicle and moving inventory. And having, purchased vehicles, not adaptive vehicles, but other vehicles before, I can say that's a pretty rare trait.
Ruby's only 3.5, so this is our first modified vehicle. The van itself is not super modded, like out in the front end and everything. Like, it's just modified where it needs to be, and we really liked that.
We actually didn't find a lot of rear entry vans on the market, and the ones that we were finding were not meeting our needs in other areas. So the fact that Freedom not only had a large stock of rear entry vans, but actually the fact that you folks do the conversions on site. You're not just a dealer selling vehicles that another company has modified, you're doing the modification yourself. That gave us the extra layer of confidence in the product itself, because you're not only selling it, you're standing behind the manufacturing. So yeah, it was really an excellent fit for what we were looking for.
To be a parent of a kid with disabilities and severe disabilities like Ruby that makes it so she's not mobile at all, it's just really physical work.
That we'll just be able to roll her in and roll her out when we need to is just going to be a breath of fresh air. It sort of feels fated because this is Ruby and that is a ruby red van, so it sort of feels like a match made in heaven.
But she's been really excited, and the first time we took a ride in it, she was thrilled. I think she likes being up higher and being able to see like out the front window, and that she's closer to us and can see what we're doing. She's really psyched, and we're really psyched.
Yeah, we've got a lot of help and support from family. It was really cool that working with you folks, it felt like an extension of that support circle.
That was nice.
It didn't feel like a business transaction. It felt like you were just part of our support team, and I can't tell you how much we appreciate that.